The fourth-generation Toyota Sienna is redefining the van segment with its unique sporty silhouette, standard hybrid powertrain, and available all-wheel drive. Sienna raises the bar for style, safety, comfort, fuel efficiency, and versatility in its segment. But what if we made it even more versatile? Meet the 2022 Sienna Woodland Edition, a special model that rounds out Sienna's incredible package with some added capability and a fresh new look. Let's check it out in a little more detail. With its unique suspension bringing an increase in ground clearance, Sienna Woodland Edition more than just looks the part. Now throw in Sienna's on-demand electronic all-wheel drive system, and it's easier than ever to get off the beaten path. It's tough to mistake Sienna for your typical minivan, and that's especially true with Woodland Edition. Unique cement exterior paint, dark chrome-colored accents, 18-inch wheels, and black badging set it apart on the road. While unique stitching on its black-trimmed sports seats give it a signature look inside as well. Sienna is the only vehicle in its segment to pair all-wheel drive with a state-of-the-art hybrid system that allows for a class-leading 35 miles per gallon combined rating from the EPA. And it does all that while also offering smooth and responsive electric torque for a great driving character. Standard roof rails make for plenty of space to store all the overlanding essentials, while a 3,500-pound capacity tow rating and standard tow hitch receiver makes bringing a jet ski or four-wheeler on the weekend adventures a piece of cake. Woodland Edition's cargo area has a 1,500-watt power outlet that can bring the conveniences of home wherever you go. After all, if you're going to camp, why not camp in comfort? Safety takes a front seat too, with the standard Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 suite of active safety features, including functionality like a pre-collision system with pedestrian and bicyclist detection, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. With its increased ground clearance and impressive carrying capacity, Sienna Woodland Edition makes more of its impressive hybrid drive system and electronic on-demand all-wheel drive than ever before. And the Sienna value story has never been better either. With great ownership perks like the 2-year Toyota Care no-cost maintenance plan with roadside assistance, and the 10-year 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty. If all that weren't enough, Toyota will donate $250 to the National Environmental Education Foundation for each vehicle purchased, with a guaranteed minimum donation of $250,000. Visit toyota.com/Sienna to learn more.